Hey, it's Super Billy riding up over Pine Mountain down in Georgia. Roosevelt State Park. Got some curvy roads. Finally some curvy roads. Now, granted, this is no Tail of the Dragon or anything like that. Definitely plenty of bikers. Is like the, oh, we got a big group. Big group. But it is definitely more curvy than suburban Noonan. Up some hills. It's a beautiful day for a ride. And still on my group ride that I talked about earlier. I'm in the middle. Got a Harley leading, got a Honda Shadow in the back, and just enjoying a day out because it is gorgeous. Here comes some more. I can definitely tell this is where the bikers go to hang out. Now, I'm not claiming that I'm going to be brave enough for the Tail of the Dragon. Not that I couldn't handle it. It's just I don't know about everyone else, because there's a lot of dummies on the road. What is this? A rolling roadblock. Of course. Well, this takes some of the fun out of it. Hopefully they'll be getting off soon. Anyway. But it is a beautiful day for a ride. If you don't have a motorcycle, you need to get out and ride. You need to get one. They're not that hard to learn. You know, they've got classes. You can take a motorcycle riding lesson class. Really helps. I did that when I got my first one, and it really boosted my confidence like crazy. Here's a Franklin D. Roosevelt State Park Visitor Center. Little White House is somewhere around here. Have to make another trip sometime to go visit there. But in the meantime, I'm stuck behind these trucks that are going like 10 miles an hour. Because this sucks. I wanted to feel the wind on my face, get some curves in. But now we're stuck behind this. I don't even know why you're going so slow. Like, what is the point? Well, anyway, I was hoping to have some nice, good curvy videos for you, but doesn't look like I will, because I'm going freaking slow. So I guess I'll just go ahead and stop now, and if it's oh, they're spraying. I see a spray over there. That's what they're doing. I wonder what they're spraying. I know they're not watering. It's got to be some sort of chemical spray. And we're probably breathing it. So that's not that great. Anyway. And I can guarantee on this curvy road there's not going to be a passing lane. Anyway. Just please be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.